Some rallies announce their arrival with fireworks, blazing headlines, flashing numbers, and wild speculation. But others quietly rearrange the scoreboard, rewarding those who were already on the field before the spectacle began. International Container Terminal Services Incorporated, or ICTSI, has certainly been in the spotlight, riding a wave of momentum that's lifted it to remarkable heights, 680 pesos a share, as of February 2026. That kind of move doesn't just change the market, it changes portfolios. Investors naturally look to the usual suspects benefiting from the surge: founders, insiders, and major stakeholders. But sometimes, the real winners are less obvious. Take a Soriano Corporation, or ANS, a holding company that usually stays in the background, letting its investments speak for themselves. Among those holdings is a sizable stake in ICTSI, almost 19 million shares, worth nearly 12.82 billion pesos at current prices. While that's not a controlling interest, it's significant in narrative and in numbers. Here's where the financial mechanics matter. ANS accounts for its ICTSI shares under fair value through profit or loss, or FVPL. That means when ICTSI's price soars, ANS records a corresponding unrealized gain on its income statement. No shares need to be sold. The increase is real economically, even if it remains a paper gain. For investors reading ANS's financials, this shift can turn a quiet holding into a headline result as valuations rise. But the benefits don't stop at mark-to-market gains. ICTSI's annual cash dividend, recently declared at over 14 pesos per share, brings about 267 million pesos in tangible income to ANS. This isn't just sentiment or optics. It's dependable cash that helps fuel further investments and pay the bills, even when markets cool off. So, while the debate about ICTSI's price will continue, the story for ANS is clearer. A minority stake in a blue-chip compounder translates into substantial gains, both on paper and in cash. Sometimes, the best winners aren't the loudest. They're the ones whose patience pays off long after the initial rally fades.